welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Let's make some Marry Me chicken together. We're gonna start out with our chicken breasts that we are gonna cut into thin cutlets. So let's do that first.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Is the finished product. It smells incredible, and then to finish it off, I'm just gonna do a little bit of fresh parsley. Totally optional, but why not, right? Let's give this a try. Someone woke up from his nap, so I'm sorry. You guys, it's creamy, the chicken is soft and tender, and I cannot wait for you to try it. As always, head over to thelazygirlskitchen.com for the recipe, and we'll see you next time. Bye. It's okay, buddy. Mommy's here.